Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 25th of August. And first of all, national news. PM Modi seek level playing field for smaller e-commerce players. Parliament panel on Home Affairs met to examine bills seeking to replace existing criminal laws. President Murmu congratulated ISRO for successful deployment of Pragyan rover. President Draupadi Murmu visited Basilica of Bom Jesus in Goa. 69th National Film Awards 23, Alia Bhatt, Kriti Sanon shared Best Actress Award. Allu Arjun is Best Actor and Rocketry bags Best Film. Chandrayaan 3, all systems normal, Pragyan rover began exploration. Infosys signed tennis legend Rafael Nadal as ambassador for 3 years. India to upgrade Ladakh landing strip to air base just 35 km from LAC. Now international news. Dozens of poll monitors arrested in tense Zimbabwe vote. Ukraine said it launched special operation in Russian-occupied Crimea. Japan ordered immediate removal of China's seafood ban amid atomic waste row. UK to host international summit focusing on safe artificial intelligence development. UN atomic watchdog backed Japan and says water release from plant below limit. China hopes to resolve economic trade issues with US. 6 countries to join BRICS from January 1 next year. Now sports news. Satvik Chirag duo entered quarters. Teresa and Gayatri bow out of World Championships. United World Wrestling Body suspended Wrestling Federation of India. Fight World Cup 2023 Magnus Carlsen edges out Pragananda are in tie break to clinch title. You made us proud, PM Narendra Modi. Vishwanathan Anand hailed Pragananda after his dream run in Fight World Cup. Abhinav Tejan and Ibrahim Gulrez lead India's charge at 15th World Sports Championships. Business-related news. CBI charged Visa Power for bank fraud of Rs 1,964 crore, a report said. India to clock highest growth rate among top 5 global economies in foreseeable future, Finance Secretary. Transaction limit for small value payments in offline mode raised to Rs 500. Deadline for mandatory use of Aadhaar-based payment for Manregs not to be extended beyond August 31. Sensex slipped 180 points. Nifty fell to 19,387. Science-related news. Chandrayaan 3 success at low budget paved way for other space flights. ISRO hoped Chandrayaan 3 mission's life to not be limited to one lunar day. Solar mission Aditya will be ready for launch in September, ISRO chief said after Chandrayaan 3's success. Chandrayaan 3's Pragyan moon rover exit lander to explore lunar surface. Detailed explained. And that's all in news. Thank you.